Diamond Mowers has built a reputation for innovation and reliability in the equipment attachment space for the last 25 years. Our customers rely on our products to clear land, manage vegetation, and get real work done. And that history of innovation, well, it lives on in this new product release from Diamond Mowers.
For years, roadside mowing for municipalities, townships, and DOTs has relied on tractor-mounted attachments, a dependable solution that has helped keep roadsides clear. While this traditional setup serves a purpose, today's evolving roadside environment calls for another option to meet additional customer demands. We are excited to introduce the next generation of roadside maintenance equipment, the DM360 from Diamond Mowers. This premier municipal maintenance machine has been built on a field-proven platform with operator and motorist safety in mind. The DM360 packs more than mowing into its capabilities, making it the go-to utility equipment to thoughtfully gain more functionality and increase asset utilization. This is new, this is disruptive, but this is still a Diamond Mowers machine, built with the service and support our customers have come to expect. With the DM360, there is a base and an advanced model, the DM360X, which is designed to get more from your machine. From summer tasks to winter maintenance, the DM360X tackles it all. We can't wait for you to learn more about our newest product. Please visit our website at diamondmowers.com to learn more. We are looking forward to working with you on delivering this industry-changing equipment to the communities you serve.